Explosion-proof Rotary Evaporator LMERE A100 is designed with 1 liter capacity. It features temperature resistance and efficient solvent recovery, making it ideal for separation, refining, purification, and treatment in chemical labs, pilot plants, and industries. Features: electric lifting, facilitates effortless height adjustments. Feeding valve, enables uninterrupted material transfer. Vacuum gauge, displays internal pressure for monitoring system stability. Speed control, offers adjustable setting for optimal rotational performance. Condenser lock nut, secures assembly with stable, sealed connections. Flask opener, simplifies glassware removal and replacement. Lifting handle, allows smooth manual adjustment and repositioning.